Let me ask you something. Have you ever scrolled through Instagram and wondered how on earth do these people have thousands, sometimes millions of followers, and they barely even post? It feels confusing, right? Because we've all been told the same thing for years. Post every day, stay consistent, grind content nonstop. But here's the truth most people don't talk about. A lot of fast-growing accounts today are not growing the old-school way anymore. They're using systems. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how people are getting massive Instagram growth without constantly posting, and how tools like GramGenies are changing the game. Now first, let's clear something up. These accounts are not just doing nothing. They're just not doing everything manually. Instead of spending hours every day writing captions, replying to DMs, researching trends, creating content from scratch, they're using automation combined with AI to handle the heavy lifting. This is what's called agentic marketing. Basically, instead of you doing the work, you have an AI system that learns your niche, understands your audience, and takes action for you. And this is exactly where GramGenies comes in. So how are people actually growing without posting all the time? Let's break it down into three key things. First, they're still showing up, just not manually. With tools like GramGenies, content can be generated and scheduled automatically. We're talking reels designed to go viral, educational content that builds trust, and even sales-focused videos, all created based on your niche and audience. So instead of posting every day yourself, the system keeps your account active in the background. Second, they're winning in DMs and comments. Here's something most people ignore. Growth doesn't just come from posting, it comes from conversations. When someone comments or sends a message and gets an instant reply, that boosts engagement like crazy. What GramGenies does is automate that interaction. It can reply to comments instantly, send links when someone shows interest, and even handle DMs like a real support agent. So while you're offline, your account is still building relationships and closing opportunities. Third, they're targeting the right people automatically. Not all followers are equal. The real growth happens when your content reaches people who actually care. Instead of randomly hoping for engagement, systems like this help identify ideal audiences, interact with the right users, and attract followers who are more likely to engage or buy. So it's not just about more followers, it's about better followers. Now, let's be real for a second. Is this completely hands-free? Not exactly. You still need direction. You still need a clear niche, and you still need to guide the strategy. But compared to doing everything manually, it's a massive shift. Instead of spending hours every day on Instagram, you're setting up a system that works with you. And that's why you're seeing accounts grow faster than ever before. Because while most people are stuck in post more mode, others are building systems that create content, engage audiences, and scale growth automatically. So if you've been feeling stuck or burnt out from trying to keep up with constant posting, maybe the problem isn't you. Maybe it's the method. The game has changed, and the people who adapt to smarter systems are the ones pulling ahead. Now I'm curious, do you prefer growing your Instagram manually, or would you actually trust a system to help you scale faster? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.